Start with solo stove if you want the easiest fire pit to store between nights. It's the clean-looking default for carrying out, cooling down, and putting away. Switch to Tiki for a settled patio look. Choose Breeo for live fire cooking, Blue Sky for heavier log use, or Burly when premium build matters most. No Smokeless pit does it all. Choose by storage, warmth, cleanup, and cooking. For most homes that don't want permanent yard furniture, I'd start with the Solo Stove Classic Bonfire Fire Pit. Buy it if you want a clean-looking pit you can bring out, burn, cool, and stash without making the whole night feel like a chore. The trade-off is heat direction. Like many low-smoke pits, it pushes plenty of warmth upward, not out toward every chair. Full-size logs can also need some arranging. Skip it if you want maximum side heat, huge log room, or hate paying extra for useful add-ons. If the pit is going to live on the patio, the Tiki Patio Smokeless Fire Pit makes more sense. It looks less like a shiny metal tube and more like something that belongs with outdoor furniture. Ash removal is straightforward, which helps if you actually use it often. But it's about twice the weight of the Solo Stove Classic Bonfire, so don't buy it as a grab-and-go option. Skip it if you need frequent moving, the longest warranty, or strong chair-level warmth without another accessory. For people who want dinner from the fire, not just vibes, it's the Breeo X Series Smokeless Fire Pit X24. Buy it if hosting and live fire cooking are part of the plan, and you're fine building the setup around accessories. The payoff is a pit that can become a serious cooking station. The catch is effort. Fire cooking asks for patience, cleanup is more shovel than tray, and grease plus soot becomes normal. Skip it if you really wanted a simple hangout fire or a regular grill. If your fire pit gets real mileage, look at the Blue Sky the Peak Smokeless Patio Fire Pit 2.0. It's the rugged value pick for frequent burns, bigger split logs, and people who don't need their patio gear to disappear visually. That roomier feel is the appeal. The compromise is bulk. Its nearly 50-pound build isn't something you'll casually shuffle around. The styling is also pretty assertive, and the finish can change as it wears. Skip it if you want lightweight, minimal, or subtle. For the nicest build in this group, the Burly Scout Fire Pit is the indulgent pick. Buy it if you want a handsome, heavy-duty pit with practical touches, like a two-piece design and handles that make day-to-day use less annoying. The hard part is value. If you only light a few fires a season, the price is tough to defend. It also isn't stainless steel, and the current warranty is limited to 2 years. Skip it if you're chasing the most fires per dollar. Quick split. Need easy storage? Go Solo Stove Classic Bonfire. Want a patio piece? Go Tiki. Cooking over wood? Go Breeo X Series X24. Burning often? Go Blue Sky the Peak. Buying for build quality? Go Burly Scout. Before you buy, check where it'll live, how often you'll move it, how you'll empty ash, and whether you need side heat. Low smoke usually means more heat goes up, so don't assume every chair feels equally warm. If you're unsure, start with the Solo Stove Classic Bonfire because it's easiest to store. Go Tiki if the pit stays on the patio, Breeo if you cook, Blue Sky if you burn often, and Burly if build quality matters most. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.